अरमश, अब तो एआई आपसे भी बेहतर कॉपी लिखता है। अब तो कॉपी राइटर्स की छुट्टी होने वाली है। आप अभी भी कॉपी राइटिंग कर रहे हो? वेल, इनफ इज इनफ। आज वक्त आ चुका है कि मैं एआई के साथ कंपटीशन कर ही लूं। फाइट। मैं लेके जा रहा हूं आपको अपने ऑफिस में और जाके आपको दिखाता हूं कि एआई बेहतर कॉपी लिखता है या अरमश। आइए चलते हैं मेरे कंप्यूटर की तरफ, मेरे ऑफिस की तरफ, और देखते हैं कि वो पोस्ट जिन्होंने मुझे लाखों रुपए की सेल्स लाके दी हैं, क्या एआई वाकई में वो पोस्ट मुझसे बेहतर लिख पाएगा। तो चल रहे हैं मेरे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ, मेरे ऑफिस में, और आज हम फैसला करते हैं कि क्या मुझे कॉपीराइटिंग छोड़ देनी चाहिए या चैट जीपीटी को। आ गए हैं, कंप्यूटर ऑन है, इवन हमने चैट जीपीटी भी खोल रखा है और साथ वो पोस्ट भी जो मैंने लिखी हैं खोल चुके हैं, और आज फैसला होने वाला है। तो चलते हैं मेरी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ।
जी, तो आ गए हैं मेरी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे और चलिए देखते हैं कि हमारे सामने चैट जीपीटी खुला हुआ है। मैंने चैट जीपीटी को कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट दिया है जो आप लोगों के सामने है। ये एग्जैक्ट प्रॉम्प्ट आप लोग स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं, और यहाँ पे मेरी अपनी पोस्ट भी मौजूद हैं जो मैंने खुद लिखी थी और अपने किसी प्रोग्राम के लिए अपने फेसबुक ग्रुप पे और अपने सोशल मीडिया पे शेयर की थी, जिससे मुझे मल्टीपल इनरोलमेंट्स मिली थी, यानी मल्टीपल सेल्स आई थी, लाखों रुपए पोटेंशियली रेवेन्यू जनरेट हुआ था, प्रॉब्ली इवन इन मिलियंस। और अब हम वही पोस्ट देंगे चैट जीपीटी को। तो आइए पहले प्रॉम्प्ट को पढ़ते हैं और उसके बाद देखते हैं चैट जीपीटी ने हमें क्या दिया और मेरी पोस्ट जो है वो क्या थी, और एंड पे फैसला करेंगे कि किसने बेहतर कॉपी लिखी, मैंने या एआई ने। प्रॉम्प्ट मैंने एआई को दिया वो था, आई वांट यू टू एक्ट एज अ वर्ल्ड क्लास कॉपीराइटर एंड एनालाइज 2 ऑफ माय फेसबुक पोस्ट फॉर 24 आवर्स लेफ्ट रिमाइंडर्स ऑफ माय AKC program and elements of persuasion. I want you to then write 2 posts following my exact style without typical ChatGPT nuances like double dashes or robotic/cliched words/phrases. My audience shouldn't be able to tell if I wrote them or AI. Here are the posts for your reference. तो फिर यहाँ पे मैंने उसको 2 पोस्ट रेफरेंस के तौर पे दी। प्रॉम्प्ट मैंने आपको बताया है, दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी पावरफुल। आप खुद भी इसको यूज कर सकते हैं, अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं। खैर, मैंने इसको 2 पोस्ट दी और उसके बाद उसने एनालाइज करने के बाद जो मुझे पोस्ट दी वो, और फिर एक और पोस्ट मैंने उसको दी सेम प्रॉम्प्ट के साथ, वो थी स्टोरी एंगल की बेस पे। तो ऊपर वाली 24 आवर्स लेफ्ट की बेस पे थी और एक स्टोरी एंगल की बेस पे थी। तो एआई ने जो मुझे आउटपुट दिया वो मैंने यहाँ पे इस गूगल डॉक्यूमेंट के ऊपर डाल दी हैं, वो तीनों पोस्ट जो एआई ने दी और जो मैंने पोस्ट लिखी वो भी यहाँ मौजूद हैं। तो आइए थोड़ा सा स्टडी करते हैं मेरी पोस्ट को, और उसके बाद इसी पोस्ट का एआई वर्जन भी हम देखेंगे। डिफरेंट एंगल से लिखा है उसने, मैंने उसको खुद कहा कि गिव मी अ डिफरेंट एंगल, बट देखते हैं कि उसने क्या किया और मैंने क्या किया। सो दिस इज माई रिटन वर्जन, जो ये रियल पोस्ट है, पोस्ट हुई हुई है, एंड इट ब्रॉट मी सेल्स। तो आइए इसको पढ़ते हैं। AKC program registration closing in 24 hours, and once closed they won't be opening for at least a quarter of a year. There are dozens of people who have already signed up and are anxiously waiting for the life-changing classes this weekend, but then there is you, still watching from the sidelines, still thinking, still skeptical. Here is the thing, no one else is coming to take this decision on your behalf. Neither is anyone coming to get you out of the current economic crisis. The people who took action are the ones who will have a high income skill at their arsenal in a couple of months. They'll be empowered to start earning in dollars and future-proof themselves against inflation. And you'll still keep waiting, making excuses not to join, staying stuck. The thing is, you either make excuses in life or you make money. You can never make both. So it's your call what you want to make for the rest of this year. I must tell you that there are people in Pakistan who silently enroll in every batch of AKC program, master the high income skill of copywriting, build a client ready portfolio, and learn client hunting strategies to finally start earning in dollars from the comfort of their homes. People like Maz, Anam, Asma, and others, the same thing is going to happen in this batch too. The people who join will silently change their lives. So if anyone loses anything, it's you by not joining. That's it. That's my last call. 24 hours and then we close enrollments for good. बाकी मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा. Now let's just take a look at the AI post और देखते हैं उसने क्या किया. 24 hours from now, this opportunity will either become the moment your life started changing, or another moment you ignored and moved on from. That's the reality. Because whether you join the AKC program or not, the next 2 months are going to pass anyway. Inflation will still rise, bills will still come, people around you will still keep moving ahead. ये जो चीज़ AI ने की है, this I don't like. By the way, कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें भी AI ने की हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's all bad. I don't know. Maybe my copy was bad, and you guys can be the judge in the comments as well. And I don't know who is going to win. I'm doing it live with you guys, but it did some interesting things that मैंने first look में देखा था, and I'll talk about those. But this is one of the bad things. Inflation will still rise, bills will still come, people around you will still keep moving ahead. It just doesn't flow. It looks robotic. The only question is, will you still be the same person 2 months later, or will you finally have a high income skill that allows you to earn in dollars from anywhere? That's what the students inside the program are preparing for right now. Not motivation, not fantasies, not shortcuts, real skills, real implementation, real client hunting. See, it does these things. It does. And आपने मेरी copy में देखा था, it was flowing really well, right? So the flow was really good. It was very conversational, and there were stuff like, here is the thing, and the thing is, so it retained attention. It was very natural. यहाँ पे ये unnatural कर दिया इसने. This is bad. And the craziest part, most of the students who join every batch are not geniuses. They're ordinary people who simply got tired of delaying their own future. People who decided that enough was enough, enough waiting, enough excuses, enough maybe later. See, it did it again, by the way. And because of that decision, their entire life trajectory changes. Meanwhile, the people who keep overthinking every opportunity stay exactly where they are, comfortable, safe, stuck. It did it again. I mean, okay, like the overall copy is decent, but it keeps doing these things. Jisme it over fragments stuff, and it just kills the flow. It just kills the vibe, and it starts looking very unnatural. Now, if you're not a copywriter, if you don't have a lot of writing practice, if you haven't written a lot of manual copy before, you wouldn't actually notice it. That's the problem. Even the clients won't notice it. उनको लगेगा कि ये बहुत अच्छी कॉपी है. And remember, अच्छे prompt के बाद और मेरी अपनी कॉपी को स्टडी करने के बाद ये कॉपी AI ने लिखी है. And still it's making these stupid mistakes. Then we go deep into copywriting, persuasion, psychology, sales, marketing strategy, portfolio building, client. See, it did. That's a handful. इतना ज़्यादा एक ही sentence में it just made the whole sentence very complicated, hard to read, and again, it killed the vibe. It got unengaging. The people inside will thank themselves later. The people outside will wish they had joined your move. See first comment before registrations close. Armash, PS time is going to pass anyway. You can either spend the next few months learning a skill that changes your future or spend them staying exactly where you are. There is the post number 2. I think we can already see some stuff like this. See? Like it is doing it. Again, but let's take a look at my post, the second post as well, and see, this is very different. So last 24 hours left for AKC program batch, and I don't want you to take action sooner, because taking action sooner will help you make it in time to become part of Pakistan's most result-oriented, interested copywriting program. It will also push you to put in the effort and become the best version of yourself in the next 2 months. Not only that, but it will even empower you to master the high-income skill of copywriting and start earning in dollars like dozens of my other students. So if you don't want all of that to happen, please don't take action. If you don't want to become part of a program where a mentor directly interacts with you, answers all your questions, and pushes you to implement whatever you're learning, please don't take action. If you don't want to become part of a thriving community that is leaps and bounds ahead of everyone else in terms of copywriting and client hunting, and is willing to help elevate and empower each other along the way, please don't take action. Finally, if you're someone who doesn't see the enormous value this program has to offer and only fuss about the price, please don't take action. Enrollments for the batch of the AKC program are closing for good within the next 24 hours, and I don't want you to take action sooner if you're not serious about changing your life. See, it's the negative angle, and it flows really well. It's all conversational. But let's take a look at what GPT did. One thing I've noticed after running multiple batches of the AKC program, the people who change their lives are usually the quiet ones. They don't argue in comments. They don't ask 500 unnecessary questions. They don't announce their plans for those. Now, this is decent. Okay, I like the idea, but it's not executed really well. They simply take action silently. So the angle of silently and quietness, it's good. And months later, they're earning in dollars with a skill most people keep procrastinating on learning. That's how it happens every single batch. Someone quietly joins, learns copy. So I like the quietly angle. So GPT did give me a good angle to build on, but maybe I would change it as a copywriter to make it, in my voice, and also make it more conversational, more natural. Because इसने again वो चीजें की हैं. Most people watching these posts stay trapped in the same cycle, thinking, doubting, delaying, repeating the same year again and again. It's doing that. The truth is, your life really changes because of one big moment. It changes because of one serious decision. Now, this is a good idea, right? I like this idea. तो इस तरह के कुछ ideas ChatGPT देता है, कुछ phrases ऐसी दे देता है that are pretty good, जो शायद आपके mind में उस time ना आ रही हो. And for many students inside the AKC program, that decision was simply filling out one form before enrollment. So that's it. 24 hours from now, registration closed for good. Then we begin the live class and start working on persuasion, sales, psychology, copy. It did the same thing again, by the way. My God. The people who join will quietly start building a completely different future for themselves. Most outsiders won't even realize it until it's too late. So yeah, overall, it gave me some good ideas, but it's over fragmenting again. There is not a lot of flow. And this is, by the way, ChatGPT paid copy. By the way, this is a paid version. And it's just giving me this result. Up, final round 3. So we have done 2 rounds, post 1, post 2. So this is the final round, round number 3. This is the story one. Okay. So this time we read GPT's story first, and then we will read my story, and you guys be the judge in the comments कि किसने बेहतर ये story angle पे post लिखी है again for the AKC program. So let's see. ChatGPT. How missing my flight almost cost me thousands of dirhams in Dubai and reminded me why most people stay broke for years. Sir, boarding has closed. Those 4 words instantly dropped my heart into my stomach. No. Please check again. I almost panicked while showing my ticket at the counter. The woman looked at me sympathetically, then said the same thing again. Boarding has closed. Now, this is really good. I like this. I like how ChatGPT ended up building a very realistic story, almost as if I was writing the story. So the green part I absolutely like, but then see what it did later on. Now, here's the thing. I wasn't late because of traffic. I wasn't late because of an emergency. I was late because I kept telling myself. Again, it over fragmented. There is no flow. It killed the vibe. Like, it just does that. So you can't, the thing is, you can't completely rely on ChatGPT copy. Like, this is what it's telling me. Okay, now I'm doing this challenge, head on with ChatGPT. As a professional copywriter with 7 years of experience, actually 8th year start ho gaya with, almost 8 years of experience as a copywriter. And it does this. There is still time. And that sentence almost destroyed my entire trip. You see, I reached the airport on time, more than enough time actually, but instead of heading directly towards the gate, I started casually walking around, checking random shops, looking at perfumes, scrolling my phone. It did the same thing again, by the way. All because my brain kept convincing me there is still time, until suddenly there wasn't. The moment I realized how far the gate actually was, I started speed walking, then jogging, then almost sprinting across the airport while carrying my bag like a lunatic. By the time I reached the gate, it was over, and the worst part, the flight was literally still standing there. I could see it, but I still couldn't enter. That feeling was painful in a very strange way, being close enough to see the opportunity, yet still making it because you delayed taking action. And honestly, that's exactly how most people live their lives. They keep saying, I'll start later, I'll learn later, I'll take action later. Very similar phrases. Why do you have to do that, ChatGPT? Come on. Until opportunities quietly leave without them. That's why I always say the success really belongs to the smartest people. It belongs to people who stop delaying points. I mean, it doesn't sound very human, honestly. And you can see like ChatGPT is writing very short sentences. Like all of them are like half-liners or 3-worders. It just it's not appealing to the eyes, it's not good for reading, it's just not good persuasive copy. But then this part I like, today many people are again telling themselves there is still time, I'll join later, but enrollment for the legacy program are closing soon, and once they do, the people who took action will move ahead for the next few months while everyone else keeps waiting from the sideline. So I like how it transitioned into or towards my program, or how it linked the story with the actual idea that we wanted to convey. Again, इसने लंबी line और इतनी सारी चीजें, copywriting, personal client, portfolio building, psychology, sales, blah blah blah. Wow, GPT, why you keep doing that? Now you have seen the story, you have done it. This is a good part. I like it. Now let's take a look at my story and see the overall structure of that. So let's start. How I almost dislocated my shoulder while ice skating in Dubai and ended up remembering the lesson that changes everything in life. Don't get up. Stay where you are. I'll come get you. These are the words the coach on the field icing cried loudly. I repeat, don't try to get up. He almost hysterically shouted this time while skating towards me, but I didn't listen and tried to get up anyway. Now, before I tell you what happened next, let me tell you this. If you think ice skating is almost the same as roller skating, you'll be making a dire mistake. You see, I've been roller skating in the past, and when I entered the ice rink in Dubai for the first time, I had the same mindset. It's the same. You fall, you get up, and you do it again. That's precisely where I was horribly wrong. When it comes to ice skating, you can't just fall and take your time to get up. There is frozen ice below you that doesn't just hurt you more than normal ground, but it's frozen freaking cold. And because my back and hips were getting frosted, literally, I had to get up. So I ignored the coach's blaring and decided to get up on my own anyways. And guess what? The moment I tried, I obviously slipped again. Only this time, my legs wide open and shoulders stretching backward in an awkward position. The excruciating, body-numbing pain I felt is something that I still remember so vividly. To this day, I can feel it while writing this. That's when the coach finally reached me and gave me a strong support, almost hugging me from the back. You see, he wasn't shouting hysterically for no reason. Now I know how much damage I could have inflicted upon myself if I wasn't lucky. And that reminded me how important coaches and mentors are in life. Had it not been for my copywriting coaches and mentors, I would have dislocated many shoulders, making dire mistakes that were irreversible. Now listen, today, you all have the opportunity to avoid the same mistakes by getting a mentor by your side when it comes to copywriting. Someone who you can count on, someone who will shout at you if needed when you're about to do something wrong, and someone who will always have your back when you need it the most. Imagine how it will change everything for you and help you succeed as a copywriter in no time. Enrollments for the batch 5 of the Legacy program are still open, and the link to the application form can be found in the first comment below. Apply now if you don't want to wait for another 3 to 4 months for the next batch. And I must add, fee won't be this low in the next batches. Yours truly, Armish Kamal. So you see, I wrote this for batch 5. Now batch 19 is coming. By the way, we have come a very long way with the AKC program. Alhamdulillah, we have had close to 20 successful batches now. Batch 19 is coming up. आपको link by the way description में मिल जाएगा AKC program का in case you want to join. Now coming back, look at this story. Did you notice how much depth there was? And you guys be the judge in the comments, by the way. Just tell me in the comments if you think my story had a lot more depth. It was not very short 3-worder sentences. GPT is doing that like again and again, like short 3-worders, 3-liners, तीन लफ्जों के lines हैं, half-liners. Like there's not even a complete line, and it doesn't add depth to the copy. It's like short, very short sentences that that do not hold a lot of power. But with my sentences, it's all flowing really well there. And you can see, like, just seeing it, like, look at the format. It's like, there is the difference. Like, some sentences are long, some are short, some are long again. This enhances readability. This increases engagement. So people are not, it doesn't make your copy monotonous. So ChatGPT is writing a monotonous copy. एक ही tone है, like short. People get bored with that. So you gotta make these changes. You gotta write long, short. So it's a combination of sentences, and you gotta add depth, and you gotta add a lot of flow and conversational aspect to it. And the transitions were good. You can see the use of power words. So looking at this, there were some good points, good stuff that ChatGPT did. No doubt in all the posts, it gave me some good ideas. There were some good parts, but I personally would never trade my copy with GPT's copy. And like I said, you guys be the judge in the comments. Tell me who is the winner. Myself, Armish Kamal, as the winner of this challenge between Armish and ChatGPT. तो सिर्फ अगर हम राइटिंग एस्पेक्ट की ही बात करें तो आप उसमें भी ChatGPT से कई गुना सुपीरियर हो सकते हैं, लेट अलोन ऑल दी अदर थिंग्स जो कि एक अच्छे कॉपीराइटर में होती हैं, वेयर ही नोज द स्ट्रैटेजी, द फनल प्रिंसिपल्स, द मार्केटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स, एंड हाउ टू गेट रिजल्ट्स, एंड ऑल्सो हाउ टू प्रॉम्प्ट ChatGPT in a better way, and how to give consultation to clients on auditing their stuff, how they can get more sales, how they can improve their offer, how they can add more stuff in their funnel. उन सारी चीज़ों की तो अभी हम बात ही नहीं करें. हम सिर्फ राइटिंग, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि AI ने राइटिंग को टेक ओवर कर लिया, राइटिंग तो कमोडिटाइज हो गई. इवन राइटिंग तो AI रिप्लेस नहीं कर रहा इस टाइम भी. दिस इज May of 2026 when I'm shooting this video. You guys have seen it. So I declare myself a clear winner. You guys be the judge in the comments as well. अगर आपको लगता है AI जीता, just let me know. एक किसी प्रोग्राम की डिटेल्स आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. I hope you loved this challenge. If you did, let me know. I will create more such videos in the future. अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं. अल्लाह हाफिज़.